How to use Pictory.AI in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up any browser in your phone and then search for Pictory.AI and open up the official website. Make sure that you are opening up the official website. Just scroll down and after the sponsored post, you will be able to see this option. But before that, just click on the three dots at the top right hand side corner. And now you will be able to see this option of desktop site. Just select it. And after that, just open up Pictory.AI. And after opening it up, just click on get started for free. And here just connect it with Google or type your first name or your other details and click on continue. After that, you will be able to log into this account of Pictory.AI and will be able to generate videos. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.